Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Andre on our first gun adventure at the range together.
Oh yeah, she didn't even charge me, so she's like, I'm not charging you. It's too cold and you're not gonna be here for long enough. I'm like, sweet. So, even better, bud.
Come on, Snow Mist, go away, go away.
It's another spot. We just passed the traps for...
Yeah, the shotgun traps where you ski
Yeah,
pull.
Another trap shooting range. That's where the skeet comes out from there. You get a little pedal you could step on and it shoots the...
Sends the skeets out, all automated and shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, as a guest, there's rules. So guests can only shoot every 3. So you got to time your shots, 3 to 5 seconds. There's no like rapid fire. Even as a member, you have to go to the rapid fire range to rapid fire, which is up there. And these are like that's like rapid fire range, and then right here is like 100-yard range, and I think I'm pretty sure we're just going to the 50-yard range. So.
I'm so down. I'm so excited.
Yeah, dude. Super fun times.
We're gonna have a nice luncheon, and then we're gonna bust out the ammunitions and the firing utensils.
We're gonna watch the police line in Ottawa clash with the snow wall.
Oh my god, right? Man, Ottawa is crazy these days. They got so much shit going on.
Yeah, it's insane. Yeah.
Look at that.
We're gonna not think about all that political bullshit and have a nice day on the range.
Yeah, we'll shoot our feelings out.
Yeah, exactly. Use the gun as a little bit of, or the gun. Already thinking guns. Use the car as a little bit of a wind block, sort of.
And here we are.
Yeah.
We're at the range. Look at that. It's gonna be some good shooting. Pass the camera to my main man Andre over here. We out here, guys. We out here doing the gun adventure. Starting with our lunch. You want a chicken or you want a hamburger?
Hamburger. Turn my ISO up. Now I can see you. Now we see you.
Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. Beautiful burger. Right. Extra pickles, always.
We're gonna eat and watch shit. And gun videos. Right?
It was like you're not going back.
Yeah. You want to go first and then I'll come after?
Yeah, my clip's already loaded.
Okay, sick. Perfect.
Oh.
Go, little rock star. Daddy. In the chamber, yeah, if I figured whatever, better take.
Here, I'll pass it to you in a second.
Harley getting shit ready.
Alright, Harley, time to hit your shot. so good at this. Like, start it though?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here. Here you are, Andrew. Yeah, it's recording. You're good.
Alright.
What are we doing today, Andre?
We're at the range. Me and you, Harley, we're at the range.
In this beautiful summer weather with the swimming attire on, we're ready. Ready?
Yeah. Fucking target here. Careful, yeah. Just don't get in front of the barrel.
This is what we're going for. The master at work.
Reset.
Oh!
Hey,
Nice! Oh! Ah!
that's it. Hey!
Is that all 5 in a row?
No, I think maybe.
Pardon? Oh, to record my shot? Oh, yeah, yeah. Snapper.
Yeah.
This goes back to the car, yeah? Britannia. Britannia. Britannia.
Your fingers all full of lead?
What?
Your fingers all full of lead?
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of want to lick. I love the smell of like just after you fire a shot. It will always be better than gasoline for me. I love gas.
That's gunpowder. You're smelling the gunpowder around your hands. That's poisonous. That can kill you.
Yeah, you know what? Fucking kill me faster, goddammit. Like if you jumped off the top of that bench right now and hit the ground, you'd probably shatter your feet. That's how bad my nerves are. I think that's what you said. I can't hear that well. Ah! Beautiful day. Fucking cold. Fucking hair was stuck to this wax.